Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 17th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I still think since the end of this ABC down here, it's extremely clear this is a 1, 2, and 3. I don't even think the wave 3 is over. I still think it needs to go to the 161 right around the 25.50 area to end the wave 3, probably eventually make a wave 4 and make a wave 5. So all this information basically tells me that we may be anywhere from 6 months to a year or more before this uptrend is over on gold. Going down to the weekly time frame, I still think this right here is a wave 1, a wave 2, and this is all just subdivisions of a wave 3. Maybe it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it makes a wave 5 of wave 3. Or maybe this pullback right here is just a bigger subdivision of a big trend on the monthly and weekly time frames. Either way, heading down to the daily. Now, I do see a few possibilities here. One possibility is this is a 1, 2, 3, and this is going to keep on going down for a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C, going down to this fib before it actually does continue up. Now, because of the fact that we are in a wave 3 on the weekly monthly, I think that that is still the least likely scenario. I still think that it probably is going to turn and just keep on trending up. I think this right here is 1, 2, 3 waves down, which is a crescent to the last wave up. Probably just another ABC correction and a much larger wave 3 uptrend on the weekly and monthly time frames. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, I don't really think this trend is over. I think this looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, either a wave A or a wave 1. I think this is 1, 2, 3, which is either a wave B or a wave 2. I think more than likely this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C, which would look like this before it goes down. Or really, it's not even a wave C, it's a wave 3, which will continue to make higher highs, higher lows. I am definitely leaning towards the 1, 2, 3 scenario, but it could be an ABC. So definitely watch your Fibonacci levels for 3 waves up and pulse it down for an entry to go short again. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame is where we got our Fibonacci retracement on the last push up right here. I would definitely be looking for longs primarily, especially based on the higher time frames. It might have already made an ABC correction, to be honest with you. This could be a 1, 2, 3 already, 50% fib bounce. I mean, it might end up drifting down to a lower fib level before it goes up, making a more proper looking three-way pattern. But I definitely think based on the higher time frames, we should be looking for longs at the end of pullbacks. This should either be a 1, 2, 3 of 3 or a 1, 2, 3 of C, just like what I was explaining on the 4 hour time frame. If it's a 1, 2, 3 of C, then it most likely will go up to a Fibonacci level on the 4 hour and then turn back down. If it's a 1, 2, 3 of 3, then it's going to continue to make those higher highs, higher lows on the 4 hour time frame and just keep on trending, which I think is the more likely scenario. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my daily live Zoom meetings and access to all my swing trade setups. As always, thank you and happy trading.